Hey, what's up guys? My name's Ray and I'm with NEMT Growth Machine. This video series is dedicated to talking about our new product, One NEMT. One NEMT is a sales revenue infrastructure system. Quite the mouthful. What does that even mean, right? In this video series, I'm going to tell you exactly what it means. And let me start by telling you a quick story. Prior to being in non-emergency medical transportation, I spent years managing a decently large sales team in the real estate space. At the height of it, I believe we had 12 or 13 people. And what I learned during my time doing that was that if you don't have really good systems and processes in place, things are going to get messy really quickly. And I knew that when I got into the non-emergency medical transportation space that I wanted to start the business by having a really good foundation. I wanted to start by having really good systems and processes in place so that we could run a smooth and efficient operation that we could ultimately scale. And at the end of the day, I don't want to be running something that's a complete nightmare and a headache. I want to have good systems and processes in place so that I can sleep well at night knowing that everything's handled and that our customers are happy and that we are profitable. Dispatch softwares do a fantastic job on the operational side of the business. And what I mean by that is once you have a confirmed booked ride, once you have someone that wants to use your transportation service, they do a great job of scheduling, routing, driver assignment, vehicle assignment, billing, etc. However, what all dispatch softwares are missing is the sales side of things. What takes a potential customer that messages you on Facebook, calls you, fills out a form on your website? What takes that potential customer and ultimately converts it to a booked ride? Because there is a process there, right? There is a sales process where that lead needs to be nurtured through the process and converted into a booked ride / customer. One NEMT is the sales revenue infrastructure side of the business, right? Dispatch handles your operations. One NEMT handles the sales side of things. One NEMT is not designed to replace your dispatch software. It's designed to complement it. It's designed to work with it. I'm really excited to get into this. This product has definitely added some serious structure to our non-emergency medical transportation business, and I'm excited for you to check it out. And maybe it's something that you want to implement into your business as well. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. We're constantly putting out non-emergency medical transportation content, and we'll be putting out more videos in the future about the sales and the system side of things. So we'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.